Welcome back to DIY with KB. If you're new here, my name is Kiva and I teach people how to achieve the Luxe look for less. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm partnering with one of my all-time favorite brands, Arhaus. Now, Arhaus is a store that people normally think about when they're thinking about traditional design or coastal design, but they have so many modern, clean line items that will work in your modern minimalist home, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Before we get into today's video, please remember to subscribe, like this video, and check me out on Instagram. And if you want me to design your home, click the link in my description box to my virtual design sessions. Now let's get shopping. Every single time I come in the store, I end up standing right in front of this Amelie mirror. If you know anything about Arhaus, you know that they are absolutely famous for this, and this is so nice and cute. It's such a regal looking mirror, and I love that it is a really nice antique brass. You can see here, there's so much dark detailing. It presents a really nice contrast in the room, and there's not too much going on the edges, so it still works in a modern minimal home that you don't want to make too feminine. This end table, you guys, look at all of this detailing. There's so much texture. You know, it's not fake texture, it's not vinyl, it's a real texture. And look at this, such a nice end table. You could use this in a living room or in a bedroom, and the price is unbelievable. It's only $3.49 because it's on sale right now. Now, this is the Bodhi collection. It is, I think, my absolute favorite bedroom collection from Arhaus, and I really like it because it does have the brass handles, but they're understated. They're not like really in your face. The wood grain is really apparent, and then the lines are just clean. This is one of the few bedroom sets that I'd actually buy as a set, because sets aren't in right now, but it works so beautifully together. I wish they still had the bed here. And then this is the nightstand, and then this is the taller dresser. It just works so well as a collection, and it does come in a black as well. This is the Pelton swivel chair. Look, if you don't believe me, it's swiveling, it's having a party. The price is phenomenal. It's $6.99 on sale right now, and again, you can get it in different upholstery fabrics, but it's a really nice low profile chair that makes it really good if you have a space like a sunroom. You want people to twist around and talk to you in the kitchen, but they can also sit and have a really nice conversation in the sunroom. This chair just has such great detailing. You know, I'm all about adding a new shape into a room, and this one certainly does. You don't normally see something like this, but I like that it's really nice and open, right? You don't have to do that huge barrel back if you don't want your space to feel small. This is the perfect chair. This is the Jagger Chair. It's upholstered and it's 28 inches, and this is the Kerry black color, but I love that it has the black and the gold. And of course, you can choose your own upholstery color almost all of the time at Arhaus. Just look online and ask the really nice people in your store. But this is so cute. It's a really nice way to keep your house really nice and open, but still introduce all of those different colors. If this isn't poof heaven, I don't know what is. I like that one and that one and that one and that one, and it's good I like that one because I already own two of them, guys. I sit at my desk all day long, and that's what I sit on. It forces me to have good posture, plus it's just super cute. This Sutter bar cabinet is so cute. I don't drink, but like I still feel like I need it. I'd put my dishes in there or something like that. Look at that. Now that's fancy. That really makes you want to entertain, huh? Guys, they even have the Perrier here. I mean, if this isn't class, I don't know what is. But I love this plate and I'm gonna buy it. This is the Sullivan desk collection. I really like it, again, because there is some open space, but the whole entire desk is not open, and there is tons of storage on the backside here. And I really like these handles. They're really nice and long, and the storage is ample. What I really love about their desk is that they have executive desks, but they also have smaller desks if you're dealing with a smaller space, because a lot of luxury stores, they have this huge furniture, and you're like, what if I don't live in a huge space and I still want their furniture? You can do that at Arhaus. We just discovered that these chairs swivel, so we're just throwing our chairs away now. Look at these. You can, you know, sit here, look really nice and fancy. Here, I'll show you. but you can also turn around and do some business. This is the perfect chair. You want your dining room to look nice, but you're also working in the living room now or the dining room because we're all working from home. Desk chair and dining chair, there's nothing better. I think Babe was trying to keep me away from the front of Arhaus because look at this mirror. Now, it was originally $8.99, now it's $4.49, and you can take it home in this box. You can fit this in a standard SUV. Your wife, one's wife, might have to walk home, but that's okay. I love this. It is so, it has the rustic element, but it has a really nice arch. It adds a new shape to the home. Mirrors in general are to die for. Like this one is also super cute. You don't always have to be into like the really ornate gilt mirror. This one is super industrial. It has the clean lines. It has tons of nailing and texture. I've never seen anything like this before, and I think that's important. Again, people keep saying that 2021 is a year of absolutely not following trends. That's the trend. So get something unique like this. I've never seen anything like this in someone's home, but that doesn't mean it shouldn't be there because it is breathtaking. And again, it's all about adding like a natural element into your home. So I actually really love this bench. You could put this behind any sofa besides like a leather one. But you could put it behind your sofa and have a really nice natural element. You could line it with coffee table books or vases and really present a new place to put some decor, and then just have a really nice earthy note, especially if you're getting a lot more modern furniture and you want to soften it up. This is the perfect way to do it. Absolutely every single one of their trays are good. I try to buy them all the time. I only have so many surfaces, but I think I'll be successful. I love this tray. When I actually saw it the first time, they had it on the base of a bed, and you know that is essential when you're trying to get that luxury look in your bedroom. Put a tray on the bottom with your bedtime essentials, your books, your water, stuff like that. It really makes you feel at home and like you're welcome to a space, and it's a perfect thing to do for guests. Now, I said there's never a time for a leather unless it's a Chesterfield, and look at this one. She is beautiful. This is the Berwick. Oh, guys, by the end of the day, I'm gonna have this whole catalog memorized, and ooh, she's comfy. She is. I love absolutely everything in this area. First, look at this chair. If you're a fan of all the texture, this is giving that to you. You not only have the textured here, but they went in with this hide pillow. I mean, they went full force here. Then they have this phenomenal tufted Chesterfield where you're getting texture from there. And then look at these nesting tables. You have the petrified wood, the normal wood. Ugh, it looks so luxe, and it's a really good way to introduce some natural tones. That's what you see all throughout Arhaus. Tons of natural elements that you can combine with your modern home, your minimalist home, your traditional, your transitional, your coastal. Literally every single design style, Arhaus has something, and so few stores can say that. This style of chair is so in right now. It has the really cool like flap over arms. Again, this just seems like a chair that you actually want to sit in, not just look at, right? Because we're actually using our furniture in 2021. I have to say that to convince myself of that, because you know, I don't sit on my own sofas. This is the Angles leather chair. Now, this is the dark version of the Emily mirror. So that means that if you don't want the gold, you don't want the silver, you want something a little bit more muted, they've got some right here for you. Amazing. This could fit in the back of your car, you guys. And that's an important piece of information. Now, this Sullivan coffee table is absolutely massive, and I love the color. You can see some of the wood grain, but it has really nice clean lines. This could look nice in really any space. They've kind of done it with like a warmer color palette here, and I think it's really successful. But I think if you went monochrome, it would also look great, and that's what you want to get. You want to get a coffee table that's versatile. You can use it no matter what your design style is, because we're always evolving, we're always changing, and we don't always want to throw away all of our stuff. This is the Madrone Collection, and it's so modern. I mean, I don't even have to say that for you to know it. Just look at these clean lines. This is all leather. Oh, it is so soft, so soft. The seams are really nice. Everything is super clean, and it just really works together. They have tons of monochromatic rooms that you can curate. That's gonna look really great in your home. They take a lot of the guesswork out of it because they actually style their showrooms really well, so you can see in real time how the things pair together. And now let's talk about my absolute favorite thing. I actually came into Arhaus a few months ago and I saw this and there was no price tag on it, and I like harassed the people until we could figure out the price because I love it. This is the trough that I'm always going on and on about. Every single one is unique. So obviously it comes from a tree, right? They're not trying to make them all look the same. It's all about one-of-a-kind pieces. So this one looks different from mine, and then there's another one in the showroom that looks completely different, but they look so beautiful to me. Something that a lot of people don't know is that Arhaus actually has a really great relationship with a ton of artists. Now this is a phenomenal neutral piece, and they actually have a collaboration with my absolute favorite artist. If you've ever seen my house, I have those massive Cater Bowley paintings. Well, he actually partners with Arhaus. So if you want to get his artwork, that is the place to do it. So they have so many things that most people don't know about, but just look through that website. And not only are there a ton of modern elements, but they also have a ton of industrial items. I absolutely love this industrial crank desk. I mean, look at the detailing on this. You just want to like get down here and like crank this lever. I'm not going to do that because I don't own this desk, but it's super fun. And this lamp is also super cute. It's all about the details, right? Everyone can get a basic lamp, but the details here, it is a really nice brushed steel sort of situation. There's a curve in the lamp. There's just so much detail that makes it really, really cool. And again, here's the Amelie mirror, but this time it's in silver. So cute. Oh my God, look at this tray. Oh yeah, that's so cute. I'd put this on a console. You could also put it on a dresser. Just a space where you don't need a ton of decor. You just kind of need something sitting in the center to really make it pop. So great for a dresser like this one. I'd even do something darker with this. I'd probably do like a nice like black or even dark brown, and it would look great with the marble. Hey, I love this tree. It's really hard to find a good faux tree, and this one looks pretty real. It looks pretty real. If you want a massive birds of paradise, I mean, here it is. This is me, this is the tree. This is me, look at me. And that's the tree. And it's me. So of course, Arhaus has this very new outdoor collection, and half of the stuff I don't believe is outdoor because I would put it inside my house. I have no shame in that. This is one of the sofas. This is the Porto Sofa, and like this is so in right now. You're seeing this with the Kelly Wursler, the Jeremiah Brent. All of this is really, really in right now, and then you can put this outside. I mean, that's ideal, right? You can get something cute for your outdoor space that literally has never happened in the history of the world. Something I actually like about Arhaus, they have these dark floors and then they have wooden floors interspersed. So you can see how things look with like a more neutral flooring and then with something that's a little bit more modern and harsh. And look, vessels galore, and we love that. And again, you can see that everything is a little bit unique. This one has a little bit more red in it. This one has some green hues. There's a little bit more brown. Everything's different. There's some diversity in their products. So you can buy two of something and it still look different, which I love because you know I love symmetry, but with something a little bit different. And again, with the faux trees, look at the detailing on this one. Of course, we know it's fake because it's sitting in a corner with no sunlight, but look at this detailing. This looks more like a branch than a real branch, and that's what we love to see. These poofs are so cool, and look, they hold their shape. Sometimes you'll sit on a poof and you'll just topple over. This one's shape, it holds. I love that. And then velvet, you know, you can wipe it this way, it looks different, wipe it that way, it looks different. it's just fun to sit around with. It adds a new texture. And again, I really like the trimming on all of this stuff because it just takes it to the next level. I don't know what the level is, but it takes it to the next level. I love like the dual cabinet look that you can do like in your living room or your office, but sometimes it closes off the space too much because it's just a closed cabinet. So I really love the Tremont collection because it's open, it's still dark, you can light it if you want to, but it has this nice closed portion with a little bit of glass. So it's not as harsh as some other cabinets you might find. This one is amazing. You can see the wood grain in every single light, right? So you can be like, ooh, this looks good no matter the time of day. That's important. And you've seen this chunk of wood in like every designer's house recently, and here it is. It's right here from Arhaus. It's so intricate, and it's a piece that can stand on its own. It's the only thing on this table, and it is working for me. Petrified wood and textured bowls are really in right now. Even paper mache bowls, they're in. Arhaus has them. Look at them up here. They're all unique. They add so much texture, so much dimension to any tablescape that you're working with. They have them on the wall, and that works too. It's a really new decorative accent that you don't see everywhere. Guys, I had so much fun shopping with you at Arhaus, and of course I went shopping and I had to bring some things home too. I got this petrified wood picture frame, which I absolutely love. I'm going to be using that in my guest room transformation with Arhaus. And then I also got this Lotus Platter, which is this really cute gold platter. They have it in so many different sizes. So be sure to head over to Instagram where you're going to see me style these items in my home. It is going to look fantastic, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. If you liked today's video, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and check me out on Instagram. The links to almost everything we saw today will be down below. Let me know what you loved and let me know what you're gonna scoop up soon. Until next time, have a beautiful day.